Alright, Euro Aussie. I did get in on this trade on the sells. It pulled back to this trap area, started to react. So I jumped in maybe a little way too early. It's reacting pretty strongly. Looking at correlation also. We had the break and then the pullback. It still could go for the sells. Not super happy with the entry, but am above these traps, not very far above this trap, but yeah, the hour candle just closed at 9 o'clock and it pushed up real quick, so it could come back down. Still looking at this overall flow of the down. We broke this guy who started, money spot, broke below, trapped some guys, trapped these guys for buyers right here, and then broke below, and we just tested it back, so I jumped in on the sells. Let's see how this goes. Stay on my 15-minute time frame, precision. This is technically precision time frame. Alright, quick update. Hourly is starting to reject. It's still really soon in the hourly candle, but it did touch that trap zone that I marked and is starting to react. If this candle can get down here in these areas, I'll move my stops in just above this, and should be able to ride down here. So we will see how that goes. We're still just hovering right at my entry point, so this could do all kind of things. But the overall flow, the read is down. We had our buyers testing, sellers. Well, sellers, chop, 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 killed those sellers, but these buyers did attempt here. Sellers, pull back, sellers, pull back, sellers. Oh no, pull back. Oops, I'm sorry. Pull back, buyers, pull back, buyers. Pull back, chop, 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 chop. Oh no, sellers, pull back, sellers, pull back, sellers. Needs a better price. Sellers are still here, so we're still, overall flow is sell. We're still in the sell. We just took out this little mini range. Did not break any sessions though, so that is, you know, if this can get down here and break these sessions, we're good. But we'll see. We will see how this reacts. This needs some time. This was a pretty large meal, so technically it's trying to digest through this sucker. So I guess one thing I am seeing is that this guy ate a large meal, so I need to slow down. This guy ate a large meal, pull back, set one. This guy, that's a big meal for this guy, but he's digesting through this guy. So this guy thinks he just got a better price and he's trying to buy. So this could come up in here and then needs to go down. So just for me to touch it and come back, I think that was a little presumptuous of me. So we will see. It's coming back pretty strong. So I guess the one good thing about this is I only went on a quarter size, so I dropped my position size way down. Quarter size, so full stop would only take out a full quarter normal stop. So I think we're still in the good though. So I'm gonna just kind of let it see it play out. Not just because I have a quarter stop, I'm going to let it play out and take me out. But if I see some signs that I definitely need to get out, I will. But still, there's still time. Still in this trap area. Let's see how it reacts. Volume's increasing though, but that could be good. So looking at this, I would say that if this were the rollover phase and we took out all the guy we're challenging, technically this guy who started, it's probably why there's such strength, because this is the guy who started this push, this zone. We did chop this, kill this guy. There's definitely some trapped up here, but this guy, if he was selling, I'd be pretty freaked out. But there is still some strength coming here. So with this being the release zone, if it doesn't react pretty strongly and quickly, if it just piddles down, if it even reacts at all, I will, just depending on the strength how it reacts is what I'll do. But it's going up pretty strong, so kind of a little concerning. Yeah, so just something else I noticed. Maybe I was, I'm not sure, momentary lapse for reasoning, but so if this is my hourly and we did break below, right? Let's just say this is the guy who started and we broke below him. I should be on the 5 minutes waiting for a rollover of the guy who started. I didn't get that. All I got was this little quick spike up and push down, and got excited. And that's stuff I used to do in the past. This really needs to roll over on the 5 minutes, do another little trap test and go. Lots of volume right here coming up. Still haven't made a higher high. I'm still not sure. I'm probably just going to close this out and call it a week. Like I said, I am only a quarter position in. So we will see. All right, I just went ahead and closed this out. Yeah, it's just a trade shouldn't have been in. Like I said, not too big of a loss. Where am I at? This was hitting a sell order instead of hitting stop record for like half a second. This was loss right now, so really not much in the grand scheme of things. Like I said, I did a quarter entry. Count balance as of now. Paper trading though, so lost about a little bit.
Dad.